Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Joshua. Today I'm going to show you how to get MIUI 10 on Redmi Note 4, that is without root and without unlocking the device in the fast boot method. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. Subscribe to my channel Tech Joshua and press the bell icon to never miss another update. To get MIUI 10 on Redmi Note 4, first of all go to your browser. MIUI 10 is based on full screen mobiles. It gives the full screen experience. MIUI 10 provides a best full screen experience. You can also get MIUI 10 for Redmi Note 4 by going to the official website and downloading the ROM. The full screen gestures make it easy and disables the navigation keys, enables to work smoothly. The notification shade is rebuilt, that is, it looks classy and designed beautifully. Now the recent screen is totally modified, that it looks very classy, and the scrolling is on vertical way. The design is in the details. MIUI 10 is completely modified. Then the MIUI 9, it looks so good and they have added nature sound to it, and they have added the water, the night, the forest, the beach and the fire, and it contains more and more features. So to download MIUI 10 for Redmi Note 4, we need two things, that is MI Flash Tool and MIUI 10 Fast Boot ROM. So go to the link in the description to download MI Flash Tool. After you reach this page, you will see this. I am downloading version 7.4.25. Scroll down to download. I have already downloaded it. Click here to download. Now go to the second link given in the description to download MIUI 10 Fast Boot ROM. There are two ways to install MIUI 10, by fast boot method and recovery method. I have already did a recovery method video, please do check out. Select on the fast boot and download it. I have already downloaded it. Once the downloading is completed, install MI Flash Tool. Click next. Select the drive and click next. Click next. Please wait until the downloading is finished. After completion of installation, press close and extract MIUI 10 to a separate folder. I have already extracted it. Open MI Flash Tool and connect your device in the fast boot mode. To enter into the fast boot mode, you have to first power off your device. Wait for it to power off. Then press the volume down button and the power button simultaneously to boot into the fast boot mode. After you boot it into the fast boot mode, connect your mobile with micro USB cable. After connecting, go to the application and press refresh. Your device will be deducted. Then press select and choose the extracted files. I have extracted in D folder. In case if you want to save all your user data, you should press save user data, and if you want to clean and lock, Lock is for those who unlock the phone, and if you want to clean all data as a new fresh phone, you can do that and click flash. You have to wait for it to flash, and here it is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.